Imagine achieving thicker, lusher hair without expensive salon treatments or chemical-laden products. Isn't it enticing? The power of natural remedies is truly transformative, granting you the potential to turn thinning hair into a voluminous mane. And the best part? These remedies are simple, cost-effective, and most likely already available in your kitchen. No need for pricey products or time-consuming salon visits. Stay tuned as we unveil a secret to thicker hair that resides in your kitchen. The magic ingredient for thicker hair is not a pricey serum, but a humble kitchen staple: eggs. Yes, you heard it right. Eggs are packed with vital nutrients like protein, biotin, and vitamins A and E, which are essential for hair health and growth. These nutrients not only help to promote thicker hair, but also improve the overall quality of your hair. So who knew that the secret to luscious locks was sitting in your refrigerator all along? Now let's dive into the steps to create this egg-based home remedy for thicker hair. Creating this home remedy is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You will need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. These ingredients are not just randomly picked. Each one has a role to play in making your hair thicker and healthier. Step 2. Mix it all up. Crack the egg into a bowl and whisk it until it's frothy. Now add in your olive oil and honey. The egg is rich in protein, which is essential for hair growth. Olive oil helps to moisturize and strengthen your hair, while honey is a natural humectant that adds moisture and shine. Step 3. Apply the treatment. Dampen your hair slightly, then apply the mixture from the roots to the ends. Be sure to massage it into your scalp, as this will stimulate blood flow, encouraging hair growth. Step 4. Let it sit. Cover your hair with a shower cap and wait for about 30 minutes. This gives the mixture time to penetrate your hair shafts and nourish them from the inside out. Step 5. Rinse and condition. After 30 minutes, rinse the mixture out of your hair with warm water. Then, condition your hair as you normally would. This helps to seal in the moisture and nutrients from the treatment, and voila! Your very own home remedy for thicker hair is ready to use. This isn't just a remedy for thicker hair, it's a comprehensive hair health booster. This egg-based treatment is a powerhouse of nutrients like protein, vitamins A, D, and E, and fatty acids, all of which are essential for robust hair growth. It's not only about getting thicker hair, it's also about reducing hair fall and improving overall hair health. The proteins in the egg help to strengthen your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. The vitamins and fatty acids moisturize your hair, providing it with a natural shine and softness. Now let's talk about how and when to use this treatment. It's simple. Apply this egg-based treatment once a week. Just remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you use it, the better results you will see. So, are you ready to transform your hair with this natural remedy? Remember, every person is unique. While this natural remedy has shown to be beneficial for many, it's important to bear in mind that individual results may vary. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's hair is different and responds differently to various treatments. Therefore, it's always a good idea to seek professional medical advice before starting any new hair care regimen. This ensures that you're making the best decisions for your unique hair type and condition. Wishing you all a good hair day every day.